Hello, it's your trainer Lindsay, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with your Elite Smart Recumbent exercise bike from Sunny Health and Fitness. It was built with smooth rides and total comfort in mind. So let me start out by sharing how a recumbent bike can positively impact your health and fitness level. This bike isn't just for cardio. It's your all-in-one tool for building endurance, improving heart health, and staying active at any age. You can effectively work your quads, hamstrings, and calf muscles while encouraging increased circulation. The recumbent design supports your back, joints, making it senior-friendly and perfect to use while watching your favorite show on TV or following one of our workouts on the SunnyFit app. Okay, so let's take a look at what makes this machine a standout. You've got a belt-driven system paired with magnetic resistance, giving you a smooth, whisper-quiet ride. There are 12 levels of resistance you can control using this dial. Turning it to the right makes it harder or increases the resistance. Turning it to the left reduces the resistance. The digital monitor right here will keep you in the loop with everything from speed, time, distance, calories, pulse, RPMs, and recovery heart rate. Plus, there's a tablet or phone holder to put your device in so you can follow workouts, stream content, or just enjoy your favorite TV show. This large padded seat with 2 inches of cushioning paired with a ventilated ergonomic backrest takes the idea of comfort to a whole new level. So first, you want to make sure the seat is all the way back, and then go ahead and sit down. Use your feet to help guide the seat forward or back with the lever here. And once you're set, lock the lever in place. You want a slight bend in your knees at full extension for the best alignment. You can adjust the straps like this. Simply pleat it through the teeth and snap in place. Start pedaling at a pace that suits you, and when you're ready to increase the challenge, turn the resistance knob right here. Remember to the right to add resistance and to the left to ease off resistance. Keep your hands on the side grips to track your pulse in real time. If you're looking for motivation or extra guidance, connect to the SunnyFit app to follow along with an instructor-led workout and personalized training plans. And that's your Elite Smart Recumbent Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to check out the SunnyFit app for more workouts, tips, and routines to keep your momentum going. Hope to see you on the app.